So, despite our winter preparations, apparently Ryan's truck is broke. It won't turn on. I guess someone from his work helping him out.
Okay. Yep. This is Pam, by the way.
Hi, I'm Ian. Nice to meet you.
You ready? Yep. Hold on. Oh, wait. Tell me, wait.
Wait.
I gotta get it out of park.
You have to get it out of park.
Won't go out of park.
You turn the key on,
Turn the key on, he said.
put it in neutral.
Put it in neutral.
Yeah, it won't go.
He said it won't go.
Put your foot on the brake.
Put your foot on the brake.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh, there it goes. I got it.
Oh, he got it. He said now it goes.
You got that?
You good? Yep, he's good. Oh man. Bye, babe. Have fun at work. I guess this is how you go to work nowadays. My little Christmas elf. Bye, boo. Don't forget to bring home the milk. Oh my gosh, are they really leaving? I guess bye.
Yeah, it should be good. I'll
If you
just.
want to, we'll just roll it, cut it a little bit as we're going back.
Yeah.
Kind of get it so he can just back in the driveway and turn just a little bit. Yeah, so you go like right ahead for that where the drainage swale is.
Yep. Yep.
I think that'll be perfect. I'll back up. You go to the top for a second. Oh, just hold your foot on the brake.
Yep. It's a car.
Cut it hard as you can. Okay. Now straighten out. Go right straight back. That's gonna have to do.
That looks strong.
All right. Just don't be the jackrabbit coming out of the garage.
All right.
No, I'll probably be here anyway.
All right.
Thank you, Al.
That's what they hired me for.
To save him?
To come rescue him.
You have to be his superhero?
Yeah, I gotta come rescue him.
Alright guys, getting it more done. Ryan's at work, so I still got that box and all that, but I can actually see my table. Yay!
Alright guys, so my truck is still in my yard. I got a ride here to work by Alan, the guy that you saw pull my truck out. And now I've got this beast. Check it out. Don't want to really flex or anything, but here it is. Oh, I gotta open the door here. There we go. Check it out, guys. There she is. Now that's gonna be my ride. It's gonna be my ride home for who knows how long. But yeah, this is a beast. It's a real weapon. Hopefully I can make it home all right in this thing, but yeah, so this should do. Should be all right. But where this truck is so small and light, I'm gonna need some weight in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dump a little sand on the back bed there. So I got some weight for myself driving home. Us New Englanders, we know how to drive in the winter, but a little added weight wouldn't hurt. Oh boy. This is fun. Here she comes. There it is. Perfect. That's plenty. That'll give me plenty of weight. I won't spin out on the highway. All right, y'all. It's another day, and it's Tuesday now. It's Tuesday, and got the beater in the garage with the bucket of sand on it, and I woke up to another 10 inches of snow out here, and it's still snowing. So I'm working on snow blowing the driveway here and getting it cleaned off. Hopefully this will be the end of snow for a little while. There's none in the forecast, immediate forecast at least, but look at how deep this is. Like, it's like up to my knee, guys. Absolutely insane, ridiculous. Usually we don't get this kind of snow, this early anyway. We do get this kind of snow, but we don't usually get it this early on in the winter. Like, early December is very rare to get this kind of snow, so. Yep, we're buried. We're absolutely buried. There's my truck. That's buried now. I'm gonna have to clean that out so that it can get towed. But I'm gonna finish snow blowing the driveway here. I need to widen it up a little bit. It's just about done, but I wanna widen it out a little more, and then we'll be good. So, I don't think I'm going into work today. There's really no point. But Pam ended up having to go to work. Her office is open today. So she just left a few minutes ago, and I snow blowed enough so that she could get out. But I gotta do that, and then I gotta shovel the walkway, which is absolutely buried again. This was all shoveled yesterday, guys, these steps. And now it's completely buried again. So, yep, that's my project for this morning. All right, driveway's done. And then I did by the mailbox so the mail lady can get us our mail. That would be good. Oh man, this is fun. Now I gotta shovel this walkway. All right guys, so I shoveled off the walkway for the most part. It is still snowing, which is pretty unbelievable. It's been snowing now for probably more than 48 hours. It started Sunday afternoon, and it is now Tuesday late morning, and it's still snowing. So this has been quite the storm, to say the least. But now that I got all the yard work done, I need to pull some orders that sold on eBay. We have quite a few things to ship out. It's been a continued great sales week for sure. And I think we did a little over $200 yesterday on eBay. I think it was around actually like $250, which was great. Gross, of course. But we have 11 things to ship out, and a lot of it is upstairs, so I'll get that after. But I've got a few things here in the eBay room to pull, I think. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, me and my wife Pam, we run a part-time eBay business, reselling business out of our home, and we both have full-time jobs, and we have all our stuff here in our house. This is our eBay room. We do it as a side income, as a little side hustle. And yeah, that's basically what we document here on our channel, and we have a lot of fun doing it. So if that is something that you think you might be interested in, then who knows, maybe you're in the right place. We have these Funko Pops here that we gave away last night, live on a live stream, Crazy Dreamers. We did a random comment generator, or random comment picker website to draw the winner of this one right here. And if you entered to win this one in a video from last week, this one has not been claimed yet. I forget the name of the person who won. Carlos, I believe his name was. So if you're Carlos, go check out that live stream on Crazy Dreamers, our second channel. It's linked below. And make sure that you didn't miss winning, because that one was won by someone who commented Crazy Dreamers on that video from last week. So go check that out. That's still up for grabs. It has not been claimed yet. So if that was you, make sure to email us down below. Our email is below as well. And we also gave away these ones live on air just for fun. So that was great. You don't want to miss those live streams. We're going to be giving away a bunch of Funko Pops. We still have a bunch more to give away. So that will be coming in the coming weeks. So anyway, let's get to pulling some orders. The first thing that sold was actually to a viewer, Susan. Susan is her name. So Susan, thank you so much for your purchase. She bought these carolers, these little carolers here. And she bought those two and then one more. We bundled these ones together. They're in their pajamas. And she bought these for $39.99 plus shipping. So that was a great sale there. Thank you once again, Susan. We really do appreciate the business and the support of the channel. All right, the next thing we sold is right here. It's this Guitar Hero guitar for Xbox 360. And it's the Gibson white model. And we picked this up at a garage sale for, I think we only paid a few bucks for it. But if you ever find these guitars, they go for some really good money. This one ended up selling for $44.99 plus shipping. All right, so I got everything pulled here from upstairs. The first order is these three consoles right here. And then also this Madden 2005 game, which I was actually using this game in a video recently when I was testing the GameCube consoles we had. And I said that I didn't think it would ever sell. We had it listed on our eBay store, and it did. It's Madden 2005. And these three consoles are going out to a viewer in this game named Shane. And Shane's actually a local to me. He's also from New Hampshire. So Shane, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. And these aren't going too far. They'll be probably, you'll probably see them tomorrow or whenever this video's out. I'm sure you'll have them by then. But these three consoles right here are for parts only units. This, I don't know if it works or not. We did not have any cables for the Sega Genesis or anything like that. So I just listed it as untested. And then these three here, this console here has a stuck button, so I didn't even try testing it. I would assume it's not gonna work. It's also missing the covers for the expansion packs. And then this console does not work either. So these are all for parts only units. And then this game. And he spent $10 on each one of these. And then this game he spent 99 cents on plus shipping. And of course we will be refunding you some shipping, Shane, because you paid shipping on each one of these items. So we'll definitely save you some money in shipping when we ship all these to you. So thank you once again, Shane, for your purchase, for the support. We really do appreciate it. And whatever you end up doing with these consoles, good luck. I hope you can either refurbish them for yourself or maybe refurbish them to resell, and hope you make a little bit of money on them. So that is awesome. Really appreciate it, Shane. All right, we sold some media here. We got Guardians of the Galaxy on Blu-ray. We ended up getting $5.69 plus shipping for that. Of course, shipping on all media mail will be $2.75. And then we also sold this World of Wrestling Entertainment Hard Knocks, the Chris Benoit story. Or Benoit. I don't know how you say his last name. I thought it was Benoit. It might be Benoit. I'm not sure how you say it. But anyway, this one sold for $9 plus shipping. And then we sold this copy of Star Wars The Force Awakens on DVD. And this one ended up selling for $3.99 plus shipping. I listed all these yesterday, so they're moving pretty well. Good to get those out. And then we also sold some wrestling figs. We sold through a lot of our wrestling figs that we picked up from our big bulk buy. Most of them are gone. I think we still have a few left, a few small ones, and I think we still have some regular size ones like these for sale. Most of the ones we have are from the 90s. They're vintage. I'm not sure when these ones are from. Let me see the. Yeah, this one's from 99, and this one's from 99. Yeah, so they're from 1999. And we got some decent money for these little figures. They've been selling well. It's weird, like we didn't sell any. These wrestling figures have been listed for quite a while, and we didn't really sell any for a couple weeks. And now all of a sudden they're starting to move, which is good. But this one right here, this Road Dog, Jesse James, this Road Dog figure, this one sold for $9.99 plus shipping. And then this one's really cool, this King of the Ring Kane figure. He is scary looking, huh? That one sold for $14.99 plus shipping. So that was a good one right there. 15 bucks for that figure, I'll take that. And then we only got a couple more things. We got this right here, this Nintendo 3DS, console only. It does not have, oh, maybe 3DS. Oh yeah, it does not have the stylus, doesn't come with a charger or anything, but it's in excellent condition, as you guys can see. It's in really good shape. Fairly well taken care of. It does have some scuffs and marks and wear, but that's normal with any used video game system. We sold this one for some really good money. We got $61.74 plus shipping on that. The reason that was such a weird price is because yesterday I started running a store-wide 5% off sale, and of course I have everything promoted in our store around, I think it's like around 10% or something like that. So I have promotions really high, and then I'm running a store-wide 5% sale. And I have pretty good luck doing that. I do that a lot during the week, and then on the weekends I'll get more aggressive with my sales, especially on older inventory. I'll run like a 30-35% sale on stuff that's been listed for a really long time. That's usually how I run my sales and promoted listings. Is midweek I'll do like 5% store-wide, and then the weekend I'll offer some really decent sales to hopefully get some stuff moving. But anyway, that is that. And then the only other thing that we sold is this old vintage, is it Play School toy? Vintage Fisher Price. Little ring stacker here. And we got this in the bulk buy as well. We ended up getting $11.99 plus shipping for that. So that was a good sale there for this. And can't complain. Didn't expect that to sell so quickly either. It moved pretty well. So that's everything going out. Like I said, I think this is over $200 in sales just from yesterday. So really good sales day, especially for being a Monday. Can't complain. And well, I guess it was Cyber Monday, so maybe that's why people were shopping extra, but we'll see. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. I'm gonna continue to list. I got a few more things to get up and listed. I have quite a few drafts that I need to finish and get out. But anyway, that should do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you get a chance, hit the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate that, and it would help us out a lot. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.